We were doing network profile. Network profile. Did we create network profile?
Yes, we have created
Bala NP.
Bala. Yes.
Okay, right. Bala NP network profile we created, and okay. So we did not go into the activities level. I mean the
Mm-hmm.
activity configuration level.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll go into details now. Okay. Bala, any questions? Bala sir, you have any questions in the
Uh,
network
Sir,
profile
in
level?
that
Hmm.
network,
Hmm. Your voice broke up, Bala sir.
okay.
Hmm.
Now I am audible.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
you are.
Hmm.
That network profile, na, there are different type of you said na type of project systems na. In
Hmm.
network, there are four types of assigned.
Network type, you are saying.
Mm-hmm.
Network
Hmm.
type.
Yeah.
So these are these
Hmm.
exactly these posts only
And
at
I didn't get your question.
this PH01 na with
Hmm.
header assignment with
Yeah, yeah.
activity assignment. What that
Yes.
means?
So yeah, so I'll tell you. This does not mean anything. So if you go inside, I'm going inside, okay? If you see, I'll show all the order types. PS01, कुछ भी change है क्या देखो नीचे नीचे कुछ भी change हुआ था क्या देखो
Okay.
PS02, PS03, PS04, PS05, any changes?
Yes. Nothing.
Only description change हो रहा है.
Okay.
इसका कोई meaning है क्या?
That's it. Nothing.
No meaning at all. This
Okay.
is
Okay.
just
Got
to
it.
define a type of your network. That's it. The actual setting is specify parameters for network type. When
Oh.
you assign it to a plant, so PS01 to this plant, PS01 1710. When I double click here, you see this is parameters for network type for PS01. When I go to
Okay.
PS02, is there any change? You see PS01
Uh,
and PS02, any change?
yes. There is tick mark shown
Tick
there. Na,
mark,
activity.
that is the change. You see, this is network with header assigned internal network activity. There is no tick mark. But when I go to PS02, network with activity assignment, then there is a tick mark for activity account assignment.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, now coming to the third one,
Third one. Nothing changed.
header assignment, nothing changed. Fourth one, again it's an
Activity.
activity assignment. Fifth one, no activity assignment. That's the only change, no difference.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it doesn't mean that you need all these four settings. Even ये चार setting निकाल भी दूंगा ना मैं delete कर दूंगा ना तो भी चलेगा अपना.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes. Got it.
and network profile. So network profile yesterday we saw is we did not see the activities. So for activity you see this control key PS01. Now you will get confused. इन्होंने network type को भी PS01 बोला है, control key को भी PS01 बोला है. That's a problem, right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
So if I go back, settings for network activities. So this is define control key. Here,
Okay.
if you see PS01, 2, 3, 4, 5, this again is the same numbering as the network type. Lekin this is a different
Okay.
purpose. This is called as control key. What is PS01? This is for internal activity. In internal activity, these all things will happen. That means scheduling will happen, detail capacity requirement will happen, costing will happen. This is for the PS01. Go back to
Okay.
PS02. In this also, all these things will happen. But here, you see the difference here is external processing. So this is X, sorry, plus external process. And this is a standard setting. You don't need to change this setting.
Okay.
PS03 is a general cost activity. Therefore, this tick mark added, general cost activity. PS04 is an internal processing. no general cost activity,
Costing,
but
service added.
service added.
Mhm.
PS05, no services, no general cost.
Okay.
So basically, this is called as the control key. Now, this control key has to be assigned in the network profile. So if I go to the network profile in the activities tab, you'll see PS01 for internal processing, PS03 for costing, PS04 for service, and PS02 for external processing activity. This is very important. So network type is different and control key is different, although they are denoted with the same naming, but दोनों अलग है. ठीक है, ठीक है. अभी ये कहाँ दिखता है? ये कंट्रोल की किधर दिखता है अपने को? When I go to the project CJ20N, CJ20N, अभी मैं नेहा प्रोजेक्ट में गया, अभी मैंने नेटवर्क्स बनाए. Let me go to the other project where we created the activities also. यहाँ पे मैंने activities बनाए थे ना. This is an internal activity. How did I identify this is an internal activity? You see the control key? PS01. Internal activity का control key क्या है?
PH01. Okay.
अभी मैं external activity पे जाता हूँ. Assembling pen हमने external किया था. What is the control key?
PH02.
हमने config में क्या रखा है for external activity? बराबर? अगर मैं cost activity बनाऊं तो क्या आएगा?
03 आएगा.
Control key.
PH03.
Understood? Why this is coming euro? इधर euro क्यों आ रहा है इधर हमेशा? अपना प्रोजेक्ट तो डॉलर में है, यूरो क्यों आ रहा है?
फील्ड की
नहीं, क्योंकि कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में उन्होंने यूरो रखा हुआ है. अच्छा, इधर यूएसडी है, बट वो बाय डिफॉल्ट यूरो जनरेट हो रहा है उधर.
ओके.
Change this to USD because let me see which network I'm using. I'm using Bala. No, because I'm using 0001.
ओके.
I'm using the standard one. That's why euro is defaulting. अगर मैंने Bala यूज किया था तो USD डिफॉल्ट होता था.
ओके.
Understood? That is about the network profile. अरे एक मिनट हाँ, I'll be back in 2 minutes. You can discuss.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा.
प्रीतेश,
Yes, yes.
तुमने नेटवर्क का किया क्या स्टडी उसमें प्रैक्टिस?
मतलब एक नेटवर्क क्रिएट किया बस उतना ही डेमो सिस्टम में. मतलब कल थोड़ा बिजी था.
ओके.
आपने किया क्या मतलब नेटवर्क सब कुछ?
नहीं नेटवर्क में नहीं किया. लेकिन ऑलरेडी एंड यूजर हम थे ना, तब मैंने उसमें सर्विस वगैरह पीओ वगैरह किए सब. तो क्रिएट किया हुआ है वैसा.
मतलब ये जो CJ20N में आप बोल रहे हो क्या?
हाँ, CJ20N में जाके ना प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करके WBS करके.
हाँ, वो मैंने किया है. मैं मतलब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बोल रहा हूँ, नेटवर्क प्रोफाइल.
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं किया. Oh, this is a new actually for me because one step ahead ना, hot inside in this. और इससे नीचे चले जाएंगे तो ABAP का लैंग्वेज आएगा ना उसमें.
क्या किसमें?
ये जो कंसल्टिंग अपना ये जो है अभी लेयर जो हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं ना, उसके भी आगे गए तो वो भी प्रोग्राम में जाता है ना कि उसके आगे.
नहीं, आपको अगर अभी आप कस्टमर हो, आपको अभी आप स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, आप जो स्टैंडर्ड में है उससे निकल के कुछ अलग ही आपको चाहिए, तब ABAP पर आएगा. कुछ एडिशनल फील्ड चाहिए, वो स्टैंडर्ड में कस्टमाइजेशन में अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो आप ABAP के पास चले. ABAP तो चाहिए ही चाहिए हर एक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, हर एक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में कुछ तो कुछ चाहिए ही चाहिए. आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है.
एक सेकंड. हाँ, अभी आ रहा है क्या?
अभी आ रहा है.
देखता हूँ. अभी आ रहा है.
अभी आ रहा है.
जब हम एंड यूजर थे ना, तो हमें क्या लगता था जो दिख रहा है ना एसएपी में वही फाइनल है, मतलब उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, उसके अंदर होता है ना, ये पार्ट ही नहीं पता था। तो मैं वही से बोल रहा हूँ, अगर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है तो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के आगे डायरेक्ट प्रोग्रामिंग है कि उसके भी बीच में एक लेयर है, ऐसा
नहीं ऐसा मतलब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से भी नहीं होगा। अगर स्टैंडर्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से भी अगर उसका रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल नहीं होगा तो तब एबैपर आ जाएगा, तब एबैपर आ जाएंगे। उससे पहले नहीं, उससे पहले तो हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। हम अगर
मुझे लगा क्योंकि देखो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अभी आपने को मालूम है कि कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से हम इसको मैनिपुलेट कर रहे हैं अगले वाली एंड यूजर को, बराबर, फ्रंट एंड को। तो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को कोई मैनिपुलेट कर रहा है, तो प्रोग्रामिंग छोड़ के और कोई है क्या, ऐसा मैं बोल।
मतलब प्रोग्रामिंग क्या,
मतलब जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का भी लेयर है अपना, उसको मैं प्रोग्रामिंग छोड़ के दूसरा कोई लेयर नहीं है ना?
नहीं, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन उधर से ही है।
ओके, इट डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू द प्रोग्रामिंग इसमें।
हमें क्या करना है, अभी कस्टमर का कोई रिक्वायरमेंट आ गया, से फॉर एग्जांपल अभी वर्कफ्लो चाहिए, कोई ईमेल ट्रिगर होना चाहिए जब प्रोजेक्ट बजट को ना, बजट रिलीज करते वक्त ही उसको कस्टमर को ईमेल ट्रिगर होना चाहिए, ईमेल ट्रिगर होके ये क्या रिलीज होना चाहिए, ऐसे टाइम पे एबैपर आ जाएंगे। स्टैंडर्ड में नहीं है ये, स्टैंडर्ड में एसपीआरओ में ये फैसिलिटी नहीं है, तो एबैपर आ जाए। हाँ, तो एबैपर आ जाएगा। एबैपर के लिए हमें लॉजिक लिख के देना पड़ेगा। लॉजिक मतलब एफएस, फंक्शनल स्पेसिफिकेशन। हाँ, फंक्शनल स्पेसिफिकेशन। उसको तो एपीएस का कुछ नॉलेज नहीं होगा ना, तो सब कुछ लिख के देना पड़ेगा उसको।
ओके।
Yeah, sorry, I'm back. Okay, let's go ahead. So this is about the settings for network. Okay. So, and we have already seen how to create a network, how to create activities. So you have to in your when you get time, you have to practice this. Okay. You have to first create a network profile, specify parameters. So don't specify parameters for the, okay, if you want in your system, at least in Pritesh, you'll have to specify parameters of network type. For our system, Bala Sahib, we don't have to do it because we have already done it.
ओके,
अपना करके रखा हुआ है, लेकिन जाके चेक कर लो ये सिर्फ। और ये बाकी का जो सेटिंग है ना इधर, ये अभी चेक मत करो, ये अपन जब कॉस्टिंग के बारे में पढ़ेंगे ना तब चेक करेंगे अपन, ये सब बाद में कॉस्टिंग जब आएगा तब करेंगे। अभी से फिलहाल अगर क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, अगर मैं नहीं करूंगा ना ये सब, अगर मैं इफ आई डोंट पुट दिस, तो मैं आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू क्रिएट माय नेटवर्क एट ऑल। अगर ये सेटिंग नहीं रहेगा तो ये मुझे देगा ही नहीं क्रिएट करने इधर। Okay, say if I want to create a network, okay, and if I say I use a different plant, say I use a plant which is not there, say for example I use this, enter. So plant 2024 does not exist at all. Okay, say ODP1 plant, maybe no, plant does not exist again. What is the problem? They have not created these plants. Pune manufacturing 1998 Tejas plant. Oh, I don't have the MRP controller, maybe. That's the problem. Don't have an MRP controller in that plant. See? If I put a different plant, see what it will say? No parameters for network type PS01 exist for that plant. Which plant I have selected? 1988. So in the configuration for 1988, there is no parameters defined. See, 1988 will not be there. 1988. See, no configuration. So that's the problem. No parameters is defined. So you have to define the parameters. But in plant 1710, we have defined all our parameters. So no problem.
Okay.
It will create a network profile. No problem at all. Network. It will create a network. Okay. So that is the configuration setting.
Okay.
So when you practice, you don't need to create a network type because it is already there. For Balasaheb, you don't have to create this network type parameters because it is already there. For Pritesh, you might not have this setting available. You have to set it up for your plant.
Okay, sir.
But Balasaheb, if you're using a different plant, then you have to set it up here. So for 1988 plant, there is no setting. So I can copy this and 1988 for this plant. I'll set it up this one. See, for 1988, I just set up for PS01 network type.
Okay.
If I save this and now go back to my project, can I create a network with this new plant?
Yeah, now you can create.
So with the plant 1988, it will allow me now. But now it is saying asking for a MRP controller.
So what is MRP controller?
Now, first question is what is an MRP? That should be the first question. What is a MRP?
Material requirement planning area.
Okay. What is that?
The PP guys need to.
No. Okay. The PP guys do, but you should know what is MRP, right? Balasaheb, do you know what is MRP?
Actually, we saw that many times. Not exact concept there. They run every month. Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what happens in an MRP. Materials requirement planning. That means there will be a person who will be dedicated to find what material are there in stock. कौन सा material को मंगाना पड़ेगा? कौन सा material? See, every project has, every company has some stock, right?
Correct.
So some material will be kept in stock, some will not be in stock, some is to be purchased. Correct? Who decides when to purchase what? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रीस, हर कंपनी में जैसे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में ग्रीस रहता है, ऑयल रहते हैं बहुत सारे, राइट? मशीन ऑयल. अगर ये मशीन ऑयल खत्म होने के बाद ही परचेस करते हैं या देयर इज सम थ्रेशोल्ड कि मेरा 10 लीटर के नीचे गया तो मैं परचेस करना चाहिए?
Yeah, MOQ.
Threshold should be there.
What is that called as? Minimum order. So that is called as a replenishment order.
Okay.
So you will not wait till the grease is पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा in your company. You will not wait. बराबर? You will not wait कि भाई मेरा cotton खत्म हो गया कंपनी में. You have to reorder. There is a reorder point. It is called as a reorder point. So every material has a reorder point. So if it's a bearing, specific bearing, like in Bajaj is manufacturing a bike. उनका जो टायर है, इंजन, it will always be in stock because without that they cannot start the assembly, right, of a bike.
Yes.
ऐसा होएगा क्या कि अरे चलो गाड़ी बाइक का टायर खत्म हो गया, लेट्स वेट जब तक व्हील टायर आता है? They cannot wait. They cannot stop their assembly line. Correct. So there is a reorder point कि भाई MRF, so say MRF is supplying tire to Bajaj. There will be some reorder point कि भाई ये order 500 के नीचे टायर आ गया तो तुरंत एक ऑर्डर निकलना चाहिए, 10,000 टायर चाहिए मेरे को तुरंत. Okay, that is controlled by this MRP guy. He is the MRP controller, material requirement planning controller. So he has to keep a check on all the material that is required for manufacturing. So basically this is a PP term, production planning term. But why do we need this in PS? Because when we are doing a material planning and we are doing some activities, we will also need an MRP controller, right?
Right.
Why? I will tell you. See, you are a project management guy. But when you want a, अभी मैं समझो मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हूँ, बॉल मेरा मेरा काम है ये बॉल पेन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना, उसके लिए मैंने ये एक्टिविटीज बनाया, लेकिन एक्टिविटीज बनाने के बाद मटेरियल कौन देगा? मटेरियल वाला सप्लायर देगा। मैंने तो ऑर्डर दे दिया, मेरे को 1000 पेन के लिए 1000 रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए, राइट? आई वांट रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए, मेरे को 1000 पीस चाहिए। दिस गोज टू दी मटेरियल रिक्वायरमेंट प्लानिंग गाय, ही विल चेक कि मेरे पास टोटल स्टॉक कितना है। सो अगर 500 ही उसके पास स्टॉक में रहेगा तो क्या करेगा वो? 500 का ऑर्डर देगा, बराबर? So that is the work of material requirement planning, MRP. So every month what they do is there is a run called as MRP run, MD02. For each and every material they will run an MRP. So for example, for bearing I want to run an MRP. If I run this MRP, please check input parameter, network distance, planning product group. Okay, it's not a product group. Okay, enter. See, I just executed my MRP. When I execute the MRP, you will find out what is in stock now for this material. You see, there is, I think, 0 stock right now. There is no stock at all. देखने दो. See, available quantity. So bearing right now is not available in my plant at all. And there are other orders also. Someone wants it. See, this person wants 5. This order wants 5. There is a PO for 50. There is a purchase requisition of 57 here on this date, 31/7/2024. You see, all your requirements will be gathered here. So, see, I am not the only one. My project will not be the only one to want the bearing, right? There will be other project guides. They will also want bearing. There will be the third project manager. They will also want a bearing. All this one, I can see it in my I means I am a MRP controller right now. Now I am not a project manager right now. I am a MRP controller. I can see which project wants what. Right? So if you see, does my project want is 400,145,0010? I'll see in the list 145 400,145. Is it in the list for this material? It should have been there. When did I raise this? Did I create a purchase requisition for this? 4007 is the purchase requisition number. Requirement date is 22/7/2024. See the purchase requisition number 4007. 22/7. It's not there. Okay. I don't know why it's not coming here. Was it for bearing? No. Okay. This is a different material.
No, it is a different
This
material.
is a different SP005.
Yes.
I am checking for SP001.
Yes.
I should have done it for SP005. Now I will run this. Now when I do a MD04, MD04 is to check. MD04 is to check what is your stock and requirement list. Now if I go here, SP005, you see my purchase requisition here?
Yes.
Yes.
And my network also here, 400,145. Ye dekho.
Yes.
Is my network correct? 400,145.
Yes.
This is my network. Under that network, I want this material, 1000 pieces. So this went to the MRP side. Now in the MRP, he can see, okay, there is a demand of 1000. For that 1000, a purchase requisition is already created, but there is no PO yet. For this purchase requisition, there is no PO yet.
Okay.
Correct? Okay. But what is the available quantity now in stock? 0. as of today. As of today, there is no stock at all. So now what the purchase guy will do, he will convert this purchase requisition into PO. He will go to ME21N and go to my purchase requisitions. This one I will adopt and I'll create a PO. Okay, I need a purchase organization 1710. I need a vendor. Okay, net price, I need a net price. Say maybe net price is say 10,000 INR. I am already processing this purchase requisition. That's why it is not allowing me. Now it will allow. See, I'm going to save this purchase order, sorry. Why it is not saving? There is some, okay, fine, no problem. I think I can save this. So I have just saved a PO.
Okay.
Yes.
What will happen to your stock and requirement list? It will change. Now I'll just refresh this. Okay. See the purchase requisition converted to a PO.
Okay.
देखो यहाँ पे PO बन गया अभी ये PO का नंबर देखो ये वाला है यहाँ पे परचेज रिक्विजिशन नंबर था लेकिन अभी PO बन गया यहाँ पे देखो नंबर PO का नंबर 42000107 वो अपने स्टॉक रिक्वायरमेंट लिस्ट में आ गया तो अभी इसका PO बन गया अभी इसको मैं गुड्स रिसीव्ड करूंगा तो ये फिर स्टॉक में आ जाएगा this amount if I do a good receipt for this PO you know what is a goods receipt
GRN Migo.
GRN Migo when you do a goods receipt
103 and 105 or something like that. Two types of na
so right now what I'll do is I'll do a Migo for the purchase order okay and good receipt I'm doing 101 101 good receipt of purchase order into warehouse. I'm taking it in the warehouse.
Okay.
Okay. So I do a item okay, and I'll just check. Oh, there is a posting problem.
Okay.
Okay. I'll have to do MMPB. MMPB. This is MM setting. Let's go to MMRV first to find out which is open. Allow company code 1710. You see the current period is still 5/2024. I need to close the current period. So I need to do /n MMPV from company code 1710 to company code 1710. Period 05/2024. I'll just close this period. Oh, so, sorry.
We can open 2-3 period also, right? Like
no, MM period ideally is not done that way.
Only one period we can open.
Yeah, one period only we can open. So let me just. Okay, now let me go to MMRV. Now the current period is 6. Okay. Now I need to do a. Now let me try Amigo. Okay, now it is 6. I have to close 6 also. MMPV. Put 7 here. Okay. Now let me go Amigo. Oh, the system status is active. It is just active. I should have released the project actually.
Project release it.
Yeah, there's no project release. I'll just release the activity or only that activity or the network I will release. Only that network. Because there will be a posting, right? Account posting.
Yes.
So you need it to be in MIG Omigo. Check. Now it should post. So I'm just posting this. Good receipt कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी, ठीक है बाला साहब, good receipt कर रहा हूँ.
Yes, yes.
तो अभी मैंने good receipt किया, material document post हो गया.
Okay.
तो अभी मेरे स्टॉक में आएगा.
Yes.
So let me refresh. अभी देखो ये PO आइटम, यहाँ पे PO आइटम है 1000 का. अभी स्टॉक PO निकल गया, लेकिन स्टॉक में आया नहीं यार. आया क्यों नहीं? शायद मैंने स्टोरेज लोकेशन में लेना चाहिए था ये.
हाँ, ये अवेलेबल क्वांटिटी में कौन सा लोकेशन रहेगा ना उसके ऊपर.
लेट मी गो टू MMBE में देखता हूँ, मैं इसका स्टॉक देखता हूँ जरा. स्टॉक तो आया नहीं इसमें. कहाँ गया फिर? गुड रिसीव करके गया किधर? स्टोरेज लोकेशन में गया क्या? साला, where did it go? Did it go into aggregated stock or somewhere?
MB20
Hmm?
T1 एक कुछ तो था, हम चेक करते थे.
No, this is create reservation. Wait. Let me go to logistics, project systems, information system, material component CN52N. ये प्रोजेक्ट लेवल पे दिखेगा एक्चुअली. ये स्टॉक में इसका स्टॉक ये तो स्टॉक नहीं दिखाएगा. लेट्स सी MD04 में एक्चुअली स्टॉक दिखता है, लेकिन अभी गया किधर वो स्टॉक पता नहीं. ये मिसिंग पार्ट्स कुछ हो गया क्या? लेट्स सी SP005. No missing parts. This is pegged order report, reservation. MBBS. Okay, I'll go to MBBS. No stock. Okay, there is no project stock. Project पे stock आया ही नहीं है basically. Let's go to material stock SP005. कुछ तो दे यार. No stock exists for specific data. So I have done something wrong. I have not done Migo correctly. Migo सही से नहीं किया मैंने. Can I reverse the Migo document?
Yes, you can do that.
Was this the material document? यही था क्या? हाँ यही था ना. 1064.
Yes.
Can I do something? Change. How do I change this? I'm not good at the material side of this. I used 101 and स्टॉक टाइप मैंने अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड लिया था, तो ये प्लांट में आना चाहिए था एक्चुअली. प्लांट स्टॉक में शुड हैव बीन इन प्लांट स्टॉक. प्लांट स्टॉक में क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा, समझ में नहीं आया मुझे. मेरा प्लांट सही है ना? मेरा प्लांट भी सही है. वेयर इज माय प्लांट? न्यू प्लांट. दिस इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, वो जाने दो, बाद में अपन डिस्कस करेंगे जब मटेरियल के बारे में अपन देखेंगे. जस्ट सी MMBE वंस. एक और बार चेक करके देखता हूँ ये गया किधर. गुड रिसिप्ट हुआ फिर भी गया मिला नहीं, ऐसे कैसे हो गया यार? अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड यूज, स्टॉक ट्रांसफर कहीं तो भी रहेगा। स्टॉक ओवरव्यू पता नहीं किधर गया। Okay, let's take another material later and we'll do that. Okay, coming back to so now are you clear with this structure, both Balasab and
Yes.
Yes, sir.
project definition, WBS, network and activities, and all the
Yes.
types of activities, not
Yes.
only one, internal, external, cost and service.
Cost and service.
Okay. So we are almost done with our project structuring, and there is few more things like milestone. There is a milestone that we haven't seen. Material component we
Yeah.
saw, but we are going to discuss in detail in the materials topic. There is a different topic for material.
So what is PS text?
PS text is a normal. I'll show you that one.
Normal text.
Yeah, normal text. So in material topic will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's complete our structure. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to PS text. So it's a normal text format.
Just
you can
to add
say
text.
add
Okay.
text. Yes, you can use a
Information
Microsoft
purpose.
Excel format. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then there is a document also. You can attach a document also.
Okay.
But
Where
document
it will
is
show? Like if we attach a document, then
yeah,
where
yeah,
exactly?
I'll show you. See, there is a different module for it.
Mm-hmm.
It is called as document management system module, DMS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll come to that. Project systems. You see this documents?
Yes.
So there is a module called as DMS.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can create a document like you want to say AutoCAD drawings. Like in your case, Balasab, you will have AutoCAD drawings, right?
Yes.
And you want to assign that AutoCAD drawings in my project itself, directly into
Correct.
your project. So what you do is you will create a document first. Say for example, I'll create a document RET. Say this is for drawings, say engineering drawings, okay? And document part I will say as, I don't know if this is defined or not, but I'll say
SP005. SP005.
okay. So I can create my drawings here. Drawings. And what I can do is I can link my AutoCAD drawings here.
Okay.
From the direct AutoCAD से मैं यहाँ पे link कर सकता हूँ उसको. अभी मैं भूल गया. हाँ इधर है देखो. यहाँ you can link your AutoCAD drawings here. So what type of drawings you want? HTML doc. AutoCAD drawings का what is the extension for it?
DWG. DXF.
DXL. इधर है क्या वो?
DXF and DWG.
अभी तो नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. They might have to add it.
PDF. Okay.
Let's take PDF. Let's say PDF. Yes. So I want say PDF drawing PDF. So I can just attach. Okay, file path. यहाँ पे एक file path देना पड़ेगा. किधर है यार file? Okay, यहाँ पे file path देना पड़ेगा. I can take some. Is there? Am I having something? नहीं है कुछ भी. Right. So what I will do is I will.
On desktop.
Desktop I can put a PDF file. Can I put a PDF file? Okay, let me put a TXT file.
Okay.
Test file. I'll put as test. And what I'll do, I'll go into this create document and attach a document here. Application TXT, है ना? TXT. TXT. Say test file, and I can attach a TXT file. See this one? I can open and attach it here. So I have attached a TXT file here.
Okay.
And this is not released yet, so I need to release this, but I don't know, I don't remember how to release this. This is not our module, okay? I'm not an expert in this. This is DMS module is a different module altogether.
So this, if you want to attach anything in the project system, then DMS itself will do this.
Yeah, DMS you can use.
Okay.
How to release this? Okay, let's save this first. No active storage category configured. Okay, the configs are missing. So I cannot save this. But what you can do is then go to your project. Where is my project? CJ20 and CJ20 and CJ20. It's not there. So let me go to CJ20N. And if you want to attach on this WBS, say you want to attach a document, then you can go here and just click this document, and that will take you to the create document directly. You can create it from there also, or select a document via browsers and all. If you want to attach some catalog for that also you can do.
Okay.
But no one uses this. I mean, to be frank, no one uses this functionality anymore.
Text and document.
Text and document functionality, and no one uses it. किसके पास टाइम है जाके इसके अंदर जाके AutoCAD उधर से जाके पाथ जाके फॉलो करने का? They will open up at AutoCAD and they will check it out.
For that US client, some companies are doing this right now.
I'm not sure. I have not seen US clients.
No, I am working on a project. Toro company is there. So Toro company, what does? They releases their documents periodically, na?
Okay. Yeah, correct.
Who's dealing with as a customer?
Good.
Customer. He downloads from there.
Okay, that is also good. Yeah. See, it is a good option.
He shares us via email.
That's a good option. Yeah, but I'm saying very less customers uses this function.
Yeah. Big guys use. Big companies.
But I have seen big companies also. No. Even in my I have worked on big projects. They have not used document management functionality. For document management, what they do is they'll keep a third-party application. They will buy something good product for document management. There are a lot of other document management modules in the market.
Okay.
And if they want, they can put a integration between our project and the document management of the third-party application. I can integrate SAP with other softwares also, right? Oracle or Primavera. I can integrate.
So how that integration will happen? Like CPI?
Now there are a lot of options. Earlier there used to be integration with ALE. Right? ALE was there. Now there are a lot of application link enabling. There was EDI, electronic data interface. Then there was RFC, remote function call. Okay, but now latest people are using CPI and REST technology. CPI is cloud platform integration. And with REST is also REST API SAP. This is called as REST API, representational state transfer replication. Okay, a lot of the OData is there. OData. OData API cloud integration. A lot of the things are there.
For every single say, for example, OData, there will be a different consultant.
Yes, OData is a different consultant. REST is a different consultant.
Okay.
But nowadays, OData and REST and CPI is done by one consultant, SAP CPI consultant. So if you see for jobs for CPI, SAP CPI jobs in India,
they are very high paid consultant.
High paid consultant, very high paid.
Like in my office, one CPI guy was there. He joined as a fresher here. So after 2 years, now he is having 18 LPA within just 2 years.
No, that's the and there are very less people in CPM.
Yes, very less
It's
people.
a new technology, right? Because
Yes.
this is, see, when you are in new technology, you'll always be paid higher.
Yes.
BTP,
business technology platform.
business technology platforms. So there are a lot of new things coming, right?
Yes.
Even we are very behind in that case. Yeah, I am very
Yeah, but
old technology guy. Bolo. Bala sir,
one thing,
is saying something.
the old, you said the old one, but
Hmm.
without knowing the old one, you cannot do, I think, much beyond that.
Of course. I am coming from.
Base is always great to know.
See, I have seen SAP from 2005.
So you
Okay,
know what is
yeah,
going on.
yeah. I was there when SAP was just SAP S3. Sorry, R3. SAP R/3.
Mm-hmm.
This was real time, and then ECC came into picture. Then HANA came. HANA came in 2015 something.
10 it came.
Correct.
2015
SAP,
cloud came.
HANA when it came as for HANA.
So, sir, these platforms they're generated by some peoples. Okay.
This is done, yes, by SAP.
Those people have are this or these are the new guys
No. See, there are
on
very
model base. This
no.
model came, na?
So your question is who is doing all these things is your question, right?
Right. Or
वो
they
तो
are they same
SAP,
or
I don't know who are doing this, but SAP has a huge pool of consultants, right? SAP is a company. उनका खुद के 1 लाख 2 लाख एम्प्लॉइज है, राइट? SAP के.
correct?
They are doing this day out and day in. SAP
Yeah,
का खुद
but the
का.
guidance they got or some next step they got some peoples. So are these people
There should
same?
be. I don't know कौन है.
That's what I feel
वो
sometimes
कोई भी
question.
बन सकता है ना, मैं भी बन सकता हूँ. मेरे पास अभी दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया, मैं एसएपी को जाके बोलूंगा, देखो भाई, इसमें अपन ऐसा आइडिया लगा सकते हैं, राइट? दैट कुड बी एनीवन.
Feedback.
Yes. SAP, how SAP has become so big? It has become so big with feedback only.
Yes, correct.
अभी SAP जब इंडिया में आया था, तो पहला कंपनी जो SAP जिसने लगाया था वो था टाटा मोटर्स और महिंद्रा. ये लोग पहले कंपनीज थे जिन्होंने SAP इंप्लीमेंट करवाया. आई थिंक 99 या 2001 में समथिंग टाटा मोटर्स. I think Tata Motors was the first automobile industry company Indian which implemented SAP. Of course, leaving Volkswagen वो सब छोड़ दो, but Tata Indian company की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. टाटा एंड महिंद्रा, ये लोग बहुत पहले से किया. महिंद्रा ने SAP को डेवलप करने के लिए कितना हेल्प किया मालूम है क्या? हाँ, SAP के लोग खुद महिंद्रा में जाके बैठते थे, महिंद्रा क्या क्या कर रहा है देखने के लिए. SAP से जर्मनी के लोग आते थे कि टेक महिंद्रा या फिर महिंद्रा व्हाट इज इट डूइंग. उसके ऊपर इवन द हाना, फर्स्ट कंपनी टू इम्प्लीमेंट हाना इन इंडिया आई थिंक वाज टेकएम महिंद्रा.
ओके.
मैं इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ, बाहर का पता नहीं मेरे को, ग्लोबल का पता नहीं, बट तो जो इनिशियली जिसने महिंद्रा में काम किया ना, उसको S4 हाना के बारे में सब कुछ पता है, उसका आर्किटेक्चर, ये सब बहुत कुछ पता है उनको. अब हम तो नए हैं, मैं तो अभी सिर्फ इट्स बीन हार्डली 3-4 years आई हैव बीन इनटू हाना. I was working on ECC for 6-7 years. I was working on ECC. उसके पहले I was working in R3.
I think we also work in the ECC, not VS4.
Okay. But when you give an interview, tell that you are working in HANA. Okay. नहीं तो कोई लेगा नहीं. ECC बोलेगा तो कोई लेगा नहीं. क्योंकि ECC खत्म होने वाला है 2027 में.
27 में ना.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so our structure, we can say, of course, there is one more thing called as milestone. हमने milestone अभी तक assign नहीं किया. यहाँ पे देखो milestone है. Do you know what is a milestone? Milestone पता है क्या रहता है एक project में?
The target, like.
Yeah, see,
target date.
Yeah, target. Not you can not call it as a target. Milestone is a point in a project. Say for example, after this activity, your project is 25% done. You can give a 25% completion here. That means you have achieved a target.
Okay. So is this only for information purpose, or can we do the billing also, right? Milestone billing.
Yeah, milestone billing is there. There is a milestone function. You can do sales billing. See invoice. You see here. You can do a billing. That we will see. I'm just completing the structure part. The milestone billing part and all. It's already there in our. You see this actual revenue MB. MB is milestone billing.
Okay. So we can use this as a information purpose only for information.
For what? The milestone? Yes.
We can use.
Yeah. Give me a minute. Hello? Okay, so you say 14 days, right? So 14 days is what? 20,000. Okay, check फिर दूसरा कोई है तो nearby. उसमें food included है क्या? फिर you have to put. Check other alternatives also. Hello. Yeah. So what was your question, Pritesh?
Like is this like we can use this as a information also?
You can use as an information. You can use for analysis purpose also. Trend analysis.
What is it?
Yeah, you can. You can see when your milestone is achieved on that, how much was your spend at that milestone, how much was your
graphical representation.
Graphical, not exactly graphical. It will give a report type.
Okay, report itself.
Yeah, there's no graphical representation. Is very less in SAP, right? It will give a trend analysis that what happened in this
analysis. Who will do this progress analysis and trend analysis? Like who? As PS consultant or
no? PS only will do. They'll only do that trend analysis and all. But in my topics, I have not included trend analysis and all because I'm not an expert in trend analysis. Okay, if you want, I can teach you what trend analysis is, but I cannot take you deeper because I am not a hands-on guy on trend analysis.
Will that be used in any companies? Like
very less. I have not seen. Actually, in my last, I've worked on more than 7 projects. Okay, till now, I have never used trend analysis. That's the problem. I didn't get a chance. So even I worked for Siemens. I worked for Johnson Control. I worked for Shell Petroleum. I worked for OGE. I worked for Indian company. कौन सा था वो बड़ा वाला? Honeywell. So I worked for 5-6 projects. I've never used trend analysis there.
Honeywell एक ऑफिस इधर भी है ना हड़पसर में?
हड़पसर में है, लेकिन जो उनका मेन बैंगलोर में है ऑफिस. इधर जो है हनीवेल ऑटोमेशन है उनका हड़पसर में. बाकी जो मेन हेड ऑफिस है वो बैंगलोर में है उनका. उधर हमने इम्प्लीमेंटेशन किया था. Okay, what else? So we can say that we are done with project structuring.
Yes.
Okay. Config, I will never say it as green because the config will go on till here.
Till last.
The last topic also we will still be doing configuration.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So next, so what you do is now this all week you practice all the networks activities. Okay.
Okay.
And because for the next topic is validation substitution. Okay, this is a tough topic. So you have to be first you have to practice well. Then only you will understand what is validation substitution. एटलीस्ट एक बार आपका प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर वो सब बन गया ना तो वैलिडेशन सब्स्टिट्यूशन इजीली समझ जाएगा. एंड सेकंड थिंग इज एज आई टोल्ड you have to go is check field names. This is very important. Why I'm telling this? Because for validation you should know the field names. How to go to a field name, Bala sahab?
OPS 01 OPS 1 ना?
नहीं वो नहीं कोई भी फील्ड का फील्ड नेम मुझे जानना है तो कैसे जाऊंगा? F1 technical information and read about this field name.
Okay.
Or else what you can do is you can go to the table. Okay, you can go to SE16N, go to PRPS table. आपको सारे field names and just execute. So ये सब WBS है अपने, right? All our WBS elements will be shown up here. If I double click, you'll get all the technical field names here on the right hand side. You'll know the field name here. So WBS का field name क्या है? PSPNR. Created by, number of person responsible. Applicant number का field name is ASNA. Company code का field name is PBooker. Profit का field name is PRCTR, right? So you just go through this.
So do we need to buy hard this field names?
No.
In interview they won't ask, right? Field names.
No one is going to ask in field level. See, few fields we can remember. Like for example, WBS field name is PSPNR. We will have to remember this because that is important. Now, for example, say person responsible. So person responsible also, I remember it because I have used it multiple times. Werner. Or applicant is ASTNR, ASTNR. I remember it, but it doesn't mean you have to remember it. Like profit center is PRCTR. I remember this. Controlling area is Coker, P Coker. I remember it this way: Werner, Coker, and Plantis Works, BERKS. Plant, you see, Works, WERKS. So you don't have to remember this. What I'm saying is, just go through it, just to get the feel of it, of the technical name. Okay, Bala sir. Why
Yes,
I'm saying this? Because when we do a validation, we are going to do validation configuration, right? When we go to validation, उधर हम लोग को code लिखना पड़ेगा. So if I go to validation, I have to write a code where I would need to put the code. अरे किधर है यार? रिया ने कुछ बनाया नहीं. See, I have to put the code in the this. So I should know the field name. Then only I can put a code in the validation.
Okay.
ये validation है पूरा. तो validation में क्या है? Coding होता है थोड़ा बहुत coding अपने को करना है.
Okay.
तो कोडिंग करने के लिए अपने को थोड़ा टेक्निकल नेम, जैसे ये देखो PRPS-PLKZ मतलब क्या है? प्लानिंग एलिमेंट रहेगा PLKZ.
मतलब लिंक कर रहा है क्या कुछ ये?
हाँ, लिंक करना है, बताता हूँ ना मैं वो तभी.
ओके.
लेट मी सर्च PLKZ planning element. See, I remember technical field names.
Okay.
Because I've been working on it, right, for last 10 years.
Sir, and even do we need to remember T codes also for interviews?
No, not at all.
They won't ask T codes.
No, who will ask T codes, man? I never ask in my interviews. I never ask T codes. What is a T code for project builder? That is a foolish question.
No, not project builder. Say for example, if you want to create a project profile,
What is the T code for project profile? OPSA, right?
Yeah. So.
But if I will ask you, then you can give me an answer. So I don't remember, but I can navigate. I can navigate.
Yeah.
Go to
SPRO.
SPRO.
Yeah.
I will give these answers. I know where to go. I can navigate. Go to project systems. Go to structure.
Yes.
Go to operative structure. Go to work breakdown structure. Create project.
Then it is like no need of like mugging all the T codes.
No need. See, it is good for you. See, if you
it will
know
be easy
T-code,
to navigate.
easy to navigate. See, that's the only thing. If you know T-codes, I can directly put OPSA, directly go to project profile, right? If I want to go to network profile, I'll put OPUU. I'll go to network profile. If I want to go to the parameters OPUV, I can go to parameters. If I want to go to coding mask, OPSJ, coding mask. OPSK, special characters. I remember this because I have been using it quite a lot. Okay, I can almost 50 to 60 T codes are in my mind right now because I'm using it repeatedly, but I have never mugged it up, right? I'm not set and kya bolte usko, because I'm continuously using it. So if you can remember few T codes and few tables, it is also enough. Like PROJ, PRPS table, OFNER, AUFK, CAUFP, such type of tables, it is good for an interview purpose. A few T codes also, like OPSA. OPSA you should always remember because it's a project profile T code.
Yes.
OPU you should remember because it's a network profile T code. OPUU.
Okay.
Right? These things, if you can remember, see, hardly 10, 15 T codes you need to remember, and 5 to 6 tables you need to remember. That's very easy to remember. Right?
Okay.
CJ30, like you remember CJ30, CJ32, CJ34, 37, CJ40, 42. I can list it 50 T codes. I can tell it right now, right? Because I work on it. Right? But when you work on it, you will always remember it.
Okay,
sir.
Okay. So
yes.
So next time when we meet, we'll do validation substitution, and then we will go in the planning stage also. So next week, our plan should be validation substitution. We should complete in one session. It will take a 2-hour session for validation substitution. And the next day, we'll go start our planning phase.
Yes.
Where we'll do costing, budgeting, material planning, revenue, dates, and capacity, resource, all this planning. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, bye.